Hi, my name is Paige, and today I'll be taking you through a tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in PowerPoint.
For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft's 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Need a presentation that looks great and gets done fast? The free Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in PowerPoint can help. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to generate content, improve design, and add speaker notes, all with Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. First, let's create your slides. Click the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon and type something like, create bullet points for a presentation on renewable energy trends. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you a clear set of points, and if you're happy with them, copy and paste them into your slides. Make the necessary edits, and you're good to go. Next, if you have a long report that you'd like to put in, copy your report and paste it into Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat and say something like, summarize this report into 5 points. Hit go, and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will generate a summary for your deck. If you are happy, copy it and paste it. Make the necessary changes and you're good to go. Next, we're going to make our slides look professional. In our Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, let's say something like, suggest design ideas and layouts for this presentation, and hit go. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will recommend color themes, font styles, and image placements. Apply these suggestions manually using PowerPoint's Design tab or layout options. Make the necessary edits and you're good to go. Now, let's prepare our talk. Go to Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, select your slide, copy it, and paste it into the chat. Next, say something like, write speaker notes for the slide in a conversational tone. Next, if we're happy with the notes, we'll copy them, paste them into the notes, and make the necessary changes where needed. And if you need to improve your slide text, copy the slide that you'd like to change, paste it into Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, and tell it what you want to change. For example, rewrite the text on the slide to make it more engaging and clearer. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you a polished wording, and just copy and paste it into your slide. With Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, PowerPoint becomes your creative partner, helping you build content, design slides, and prepare notes quickly and confidently. Good luck!
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in PowerPoint.